Hey, how you doing? I'm coming to you from Joe. I was about to say live from Joe Dispenza. I suppose it's live when I'm shooting this video, but when you're watching this, it may or may not be live. I suspect it won't be. But I'm at a Joe Dispenza event in Edinburgh in Scotland. We are at the break at the moment, so there's most people are, I guess, getting a coffee or whatever. This is Andy.
Hey.
He's part of a business community along with a few other people who are normally sitting there. We're all part of the same business community. Thought we'd come to this event because some of the concepts that Joe Dispenza dives into, very, very hard to explain what he's about if you don't know, but it's basically taking science, quantum mechanics, energy, tying into how law of attraction and manifestation works, how the chemicals in your body and the feelings that you feel every day, which result of your thoughts, how they will keep you trapped in the past if you're just continuing to run unconscious patterns without putting intention into creating a new future for yourself. So the general concept behind it is that most of us in life, we are subconscious. We're just going through life, we're doing the same routines, the same days, the same patterns, the same feelings, the same experiences. So essentially we are continuing to live our past. And what often happens, particularly in my field, which is helping people start online businesses, create a life of freedom and so on and so forth, what I see is that people normally need to have a major, call it like a traumatic event, or just a moment where they hit rock bottom. Something's happened and they've just like had enough. It's the final straw, right? They're sick and tired of being sick and tired. They're sick and tired of everything in their life the way that it is, and they reach a point where they absolutely must change, and they're no longer willing to tolerate any other reality except the reality that they decide then in that moment that they want, right? It becomes a non-negotiable. And so what this is a lot to do with is helping people understand and bring awareness into those unconscious habits and those unconscious patterns. And once they get that awareness and they start actually seeing how they think, how they feel, how they're showing up every day, how the feelings that they're creating in their body, and therefore the emotions that they're experiencing are a result of their continuing to run the same patterns. Once you get that awareness and you start to see that, you then begin to develop the ability to make a conscious choice in each moment of how do you show up, right? And if we're not showing up in alignment with the person who we need to be or want to be in order to achieve our goals and start living our best life, it means that we have that ability to actually do something about it and make a change, because we're responsible, right? We're the one in control. So over the next couple of days, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the awesome strategies, techniques, knowledge, wisdom that we've learned over the last couple of days here at this event. So if you are at a point in your life where you're wanting to create change, you're wanting more, you're wanting something better, then I truly believe that what I'm going to share with you is seriously going to help get some awareness around what's currently keeping you in your reality. And I know that because I've had so many self-realizations about patterns that I'm running, things that I'm doing, thoughts that I have in my head that have just been kind of ruling me without me even realizing. They've been subconscious, just going on in the background, and I haven't even been able to hear them. So I want to share that with you as well. All right, all you got to do, keep your eyes on your email inbox over the next couple of days, and I hope that I can help you move forwards on your journey. All right, thanks for watching. People are starting to come back in the room now, so I think we're going to crack on. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.